the new updated Video Ranking Academy review. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Sean Cannell's online course, Video Ranking Academy, helped me start a YouTube channel and make a full-time income online. So let's not waste another second and jump right into it. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was getting little to no views on my videos, and I had no idea what I was doing wrong. Then I came across Sean Cannell and his Video Ranking Academy course. And inside the course, he taught me how to rank videos in search. YouTube is the second biggest search engine online. So people are going onto YouTube every single day, searching for videos that can give them the answers that they're looking for. Inside of Video Ranking Academy, Sean teaches you how you can use YouTube SEO to rank your videos inside of search, helping you provide the best solution that people are looking for. Once you learn and understand how to rank videos in search, you'll see exactly how powerful this really is. You can get views while you snooze, which means your videos work for you while you're sleeping or on holiday or spending time with your family. Now, this is exactly what we're all looking for. We're looking for a way to make passive income online. And videos on YouTube can do that for you if you know how to rank your videos inside of search. Starting a YouTube channel is really hard. It's so hard to start getting that momentum, to start getting those views on your videos. I know this because when I first started my YouTube channel, I was getting 5 to 6 views on my videos. No one was watching my videos. And I didn't understand why. I didn't know why so many people were on YouTube, but YouTube wasn't showing my videos to the people that wanted to see them. Before I joined the Video Ranking Academy course, I would create a video, publish it on my YouTube channel, and then hope that the views would come in. I ended up getting little to no views. I was scratching my head, trying to work out what I needed to do in order to get more views. And Sean taught me a system that I can use to rank my videos within search. Now my videos are ranking within search and getting consistent views every single day. My YouTube channel gets over 7,000 views every single day, whether I'm at work or on holiday. These views roll in consistently. My channel's got over 1 million views from the system that I learned from Sean Cannell. If you asked me a year ago that I would be able to reach 1 million people online, I wouldn't have believed you. I wouldn't think it was actually possible to reach 1 million people all over the world. Now, through the videos that I've created, through the assets that I've built, I'm able to make a full-time income online because I can get the attention of people using Sean Cannell's Video Ranking Academy system. And I want to share this with you today because I know that Sean's course can make a massive difference in your life. It's created a life of freedom for me. It's set me up for success. My online business is growing every single day because of the skills, tips, tricks, and techniques that Sean has taught me inside of his course. And I want you to learn these skills because I know they can make a massive difference for you with your YouTube videos and helping you get more views on your videos. Video Ranking Academy has taught me the systems that I need to rank videos inside of search. Now I'm even ranking #1 on YouTube for specific key phrases that I have targeted, because Sean taught me how to provide the best possible solution for a specific key phrase that someone is typing into YouTube. Once YouTube can see that you can provide this solution and people enjoy your videos, in other words, they watch your videos all the way to the end and they engage with your videos, adding likes, comments, sharing your videos, adding them to playlists, clicking on the end screen cards, then YouTube starts to reward you with more views. By activating the YouTube algorithm, you are creating your very own personal marketer, which is YouTube, and they're going to start pushing your video out to more people because you've earned their trust. You've proved to them that your videos are valuable and you have something valuable to say that people are willing to listen to. So don't give up hope if you're just starting your YouTube channel. There is hope. There is a way to make a full-time income online. And Sean Cannell has the solution and the systems that you need in order to create this life of freedom, to create that passive income, to make money while you sleep, to make money while you're on holiday, and to make money while you spend time with your family. So let me show you exactly what you're going to learn within the 7 modules of Video Ranking Academy. Let's jump onto my laptop and I'm going to show you exactly what you can learn. If you click the link in the description down below, this is going to take you to the Video Ranking Academy course landing page where you can have a look at what the course is all about. Sean will explain to you and break down what happens inside the course, and then if you want to join, you can just click on this red button. But before we do that, let's head down and go through exactly what the modules cover inside of Ranking Academy. Now, Video Ranking Academy is going to help you find video ideas in your niche to grow your audience. It's going to give you strategies for releasing your videos for maximum impact. It's going to help you evaluate your competition, and it's going to give you proven strategies to make your videos rank higher in search engines. It's also going to show you the 10 ways to make money on YouTube and so much more. The great thing about Video Ranking Academy is Sean is walking the walk. He's not just talking the talk. So if you go and have a look at his Think Media channel, he's got over 1 million subscribers. So he's in the trenches with us. He is currently ranking videos. He has built up an entire Think Media team now. But if you look back at his original videos, he was doing all of this by himself, just like you and me. And also you can try out the course 100% risk-free. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can also have a look at what other current students are saying about the course inside of Video Ranking Academy. The great thing about Sean's new course is you can book a discovery call with one of his coaches to go over your YouTube channel and to find out new ideas for you to grow. So let's have a quick overview of the Video Ranking Academy course and the 7 core modules that you will cover inside of this online course. Module 1, you're going to reverse engineer your YouTube success. You can discover how to get clarity on your branding and messaging, create a solid, focused, individual YouTube strategy specifically for your YouTube channel. Then inside of Module 2, we're going to learn how to research the right way. Discover keywords and video ideas that will rank high in search engines. Develop a laser focus on the purpose of your channel and each video you create. I loved Module 2 inside of Video Ranking Academy. This has helped me rank videos #1 for very high volume search queries. Let's have a look at an example on my YouTube channel, how to verify your YouTube account in 2020. If you type that now into YouTube, you can go and check if my video is still ranking #1 at the moment. If I go and type that in, it is ranking #1. Let's have a quick look. If we head over to youtube.com, and then we're going to type in the search box how to verify your YouTube account in 2020. Have a look. My video is ranking #1, 2, and 3 for this specific search query, and it's getting multiple views. This video has got 81,000 views. This is my best video, 256,000 views, and one of my newer ones that's only 2 months old, 10,000 views. All ranking high for a specific search query that's getting a lot of search volume. Module 2 is powerful, and let's move on to Module 3, Record, the ultimate video framework. Inside of Video Ranking Academy, Sean gives you the perfect system of how to outline your video and create your video to get more views. Module 4 is all about how to release your video the right way. It's a step-by-step instruction on what details to include when you're uploading your video, the blueprint for optimizing your video as you release it. Then in module 5, we're going to go in depth on how to rank your video, the best practices for making your videos produce income on autopilot and get the opportunity to watch Sean rank a video in real time. The great thing about Video Ranking Academy is Sean walks you through specific up-to-date examples so you can see exactly how he does it. Module 6 is rapid revenue, all about making money on YouTube. And he shows you the top 10 ways to make money with your YouTube channel. That's working right now for thousands of channels across different niches. And the final module, module 7, repeat and rocket to success. The secret for producing more videos in less time and growing faster on YouTube. Inside of these 7 modules, there are 45 on-demand video trainings that you can follow and pause whenever you need to, so you can go at your own speed. Sean's also included a special message in this difficult time, so you can listen to that. It's always updated and relevant. And if you act now, there are a whole lot of bonuses that Sean has included if you buy the course now. Bonus 1 is Social Media Growth Accelerator course. It's worth $297. Start Video Podcasting is worth $497. YouTube Hypergrowth Blueprint is worth $1,997. You also get 2 general admission tuitions for Grow with Video Live for free. There are also additional downloadable bonuses, 51 money-making ideas, as well as the Grow with Video course, and 2 group Q&A sessions with Sean Cannell and the team. That's $5,923 in bonuses when you enroll today. There are 2 different options that Sean gives you when you're signing up for Video Ranking Academy. You can choose 12 payments of $97 so you can spread it out over a year, or you can have a single payment upfront and save that $200 extra. That's up to you, whatever works for you and is best for your budget. So let's have a quick look at what you get inside of the course. You get your Video Ranking Academy course, the 2 Grow with Video Live tuition waivers, 2 group Q&A sessions, Start Your Video podcast, Grow with Video course, Social Media Growth Accelerator, 51 money-making ideas, exclusive bonus YouTube, Hypergrowth Blueprint, YouTube live stream influence. The total value is $7,920. So you can see you are getting value for money here, and you have the 2 payment options. And when you're ready to join, when you're ready to take action and invest in yourself, it is right here for you. If you want to see more testimonials of what current members are saying, you can have a look right here. And there's a little bit of background on Sean Cannell and how he built his YouTube empire. And if you have any questions about Video Ranking Academy, you can have a look at the bottom here, the frequently asked questions, what's included, is there a coupon code, do I have lifetime access, what is the refund policy. The great thing is there's a 30-day money back guarantee, and Sean will stick to this. So you know if you're not fully satisfied with the course, you can get a refund. So you can purchase with absolute confidence. And that covers the frequently asked questions. If you have any questions that aren't covered here, please let me know in the comments section down below and I'll be happy to respond to you. Sean Cannell and Video Ranking Academy have taught me the skills and systems that I need to start my YouTube channel and grow it to a full-time income. That's why I wanted to share it with you today. But there's one more thing I want to share with you. Learning how to rank videos inside of YouTube is really important. But if you don't take action to start changing your life today, then nothing is going to change for you. That's why I want to encourage you to try out Sean Cannell's Video Ranking Academy course. It's the best investment that I ever made in myself to change my future, to create this life of freedom and create my full-time income online. That's why I want you to check out Video Ranking Academy. And if you're ready to invest in yourself, if you're ready to change your future, then take action today by joining Sean Cannell inside of his Video Ranking Academy course. If you have any questions or queries about Video Ranking Academy, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.